What's the meaning of bulldoze? Bulldoze. Bulldoze.
Bulldoze. Bulldoze. The word bulldoze typically refers to the act of using a bulldozer or other heavy equipment to demolish or level a structure or piece of land. The result of bulldozing is often a completely cleared or flattened area, with any buildings or debris removed from the site. This process is often used in construction or land development projects where new buildings or infrastructure are planned for the area. Bulldozing can also be used in disaster cleanup efforts to remove debris and clear paths for emergency vehicles and rescue teams. Overall, the result of bulldozing is typically a cleared and flattened area with all previous structures and obstacles removed.